So now that I'm ready and good to go, we're going to Villa Escudero today, which is a 2 hour and 30-minute trip from Quezon City. Villa Escudero is a property owned by the Escudero family, wherein there are a lot of museums. Also, there's this famous restaurant wherein there's a waterfall. Um, I don't know. Actually, I've been to Villa Escudero once, but that was about 10 years ago in 2007, 2006. But it's been a long time already, so for me, maybe it might be a new experience actually. So now I'm going to go to the car and we're gonna go.
Paru-parong bukid na lilipad-lipad sa gitna ng daan. Pagpagaspas sa marang tapis, sandangkal ang manggas, ang sayang bikola, sang pyesa ang sayan.
So right now we are right here in Villa Escudero. So right now we're at the visitor center. So the visitor center apparently is made out of the Bahay Kubo. It is one of the original houses here in the Philippines. Inside the visitor center is like they're encapsulating the original Filipino houses. So the roof is made out of nyog and also some dry leaves. And then almost all of the furniture are made out of wood. And even these sculptures over here. So now we're here inside the premises already. So we're being guided by a tour guide. So now we're here in the museum. Well, we're not allowed to take videos or pictures inside, so it's inside this church over here. So we're gonna go in now. So now we're riding the Carabao ride here. So yun.
Hello! Mako, you're not present!
So this is Sandara. Sandara is the Carabao. Hi! So now we're done with the Carabao ride and now we're going to the waterfall area. So that's where we're going to eat lunch. Like our feet will be dipped. We'll be eating on water. The tables and chairs are on water, and there is like a waterfall beside us. So right now we're going down, going to the restaurant. As you can see here, that the restaurant is on water. So right now we're going down. We're going to the water now, to our table on the water. So apparently it's raining right now. So now we're here. As you can see naman, we're eating on water. So right now I'm walking on water. So right now we're done eating lunch, and now we're here at the highlight of the place. So this is the waterfall, as you can see, and that is the restaurant over there. So this is one of the highlights here in Villa Escudero. This is called I don't know what it's called. So yeah, now we're going up because it's raining, as you can see. So now we're going up from the restaurant downstairs, but I'm taking shelter here because it's raining hard. You might not see it though. So now we're here in the dining hall. We'll be watching the cultural show in about 15 minutes. So we're in front of the stage right here.
Silly joke. From the Bago tribe of Ilocos Norte, a courtship dance. Will the male dancers mimic the courtship behavior of roosters and use colorful blankets to attract their lady loves? Mano. Bali maidens imitate the movements of the birds of flight, and a bird trying to free herself from the traps of the trees in the forest.
finished the cultural show and now we're here in the swimming pool area and the river area here in Villa Escudero. So there is also a bamboo rafting here and also a swimming pool. So we're gonna go to the bamboo rafting, but first we're gonna change. Now we're going to the area. Going to the area where the bamboo rafting is. As you can see over here. Ano pala, no? So, rafting here. So we just finished our swimming and bamboo rafting, and now the resort is closed. It's already 5 p.m. and the resort closes at 5 p.m. So now we are leaving the resort here in Villa Escudero. It has been a tiring day, and now we're going back to San Pablo to bring home my cousins and Lola.